What the time you have the dread? 12 o'clock natty. Roots. Aye. Is a wonder them no say dread have something to do with the poison flower. Eh? Why? You know, all the while them blame. Every hour of the hour, you hear people calling for poison flower. I says there's a man that live next door.
In my neighborhood, in my neighborhood,
he died through poison flower. Cause every hour and the hour, you hear the people them a ball. I say the people them a ball poison flower. Every hour and the hour. I know something and I tell a one. White flower dumpling a killer for man. Look at that. Old time people used to say cornmeal dumpling kill a nigger man. And old time people used to say what sweet nanny goat like a running belly. Say but them your belly never have no time to run, never have no fun, yeah. I just dead.
hear the pot and pans them fall.
Look at that!
Bang against the wall, bang against the wall.
That's what Marcus Garvey had said. He said, you're not gonna know yourself until you're back against the wall. No, my virgin, look at this. If it's not the ratchet, it's the gun. And if it's not the gun, it's the bomb. And if it's not the bomb, it's poison flower. I would say, every hour and the hour, you hear the people ball, them ball, them ball, them ball. Poison flower, killing off man. Same drama, same catching. Say,
Hear the pot and pans them fall.
look at that.
Bang against the wall, bang against the wall.
But as the wild man walk through the valleys and the shadows of earth, I ain't gonna fear no evil. Ain't gonna fear no evil, say. For Jah is with I, his rod and his staff will ever comfort I. Yeah, it shall ever comfort I, no matter where I go. Cause I know Zion is I home, and there's where I wanna go. Say, yeah, let my ball and the people let my ball.